In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time on tasks in Monday.com fast and easy. Whether you're a project manager trying to keep tabs on your team's productivity, or a freelancer who needs to track hours for invoicing, knowing how to efficiently track time is an essential skill. Today, we'll make it simple for you to get started with time tracking in Monday.com. First up, let's dive into adding the time tracking column to your Monday.com board. This will be our hub for keeping an accurate account of how much time is being spent on each task. Head over to your board and look for the option to add a column. This is typically found to the right of your existing columns. Click on the plus sign, and you'll see a variety of column types you can choose from. What we want here is the time tracking column, so be sure to select that from the list. Once you've added that column, you're all set to begin tracking time against the tasks on your board. Now that we have our column in place, the next step is to start using it to track time. You'll notice that within your newly added time tracking column, there's a play button associated with each task. To kick off your time tracking, simply click this play button. This action begins the timer for that specific task, allowing you to capture the time spent accurately. Remember, starting this timer does more than just track work. It also helps you stay focused and on task, knowing that the clock is ticking. When you've wrapped up the work you're doing, or when you need to pause, you'll want to stop the timer. This is as straightforward as it gets. Just click on the play button again, and it will stop tracking time for you. This feature adds a layer of simplicity, ensuring you don't have to navigate away from your work or break your concentration each time you need to manage your time logging. And there you have it. Your time has been tracked. One great aspect of Monday.com is that it automatically saves the tracked time for each task. You won't need to worry about hitting save or fearing you've lost your work when you switch between tasks or close the platform. Monday.com takes care of all that in the background, ensuring you always have an up-to-date log of the time spent on each task. This automatic saving feature is particularly useful for keeping detailed records without any additional effort on your part. By following these steps, you'll find that tracking your time in Monday.com is not only fast and easy, but also an invaluable tool for gaining insights into work patterns, efficiency, and productivity. Whether you're managing a team or working solo, mastering these time tracking tools helps you maximize your efforts each day. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you find these tips helpful as you continue to optimize your workflow in Monday.com.